Welcome to the Skill for Career. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable hardware virtualization in your system or lab. First and foremostly, we'll check whether it's enabled or disabled. To check that, let me minimize my screen. On the taskbar, right click and choose the option Task Manager. Now get into the Performance tab where we can see whether our hardware virtualization is enabled or not. In my laptop, it's enabled. If you see disable in your system or laptop, follow the steps which I am guiding you. Click on the Start button, then Power button, and hold your left Shift key and click Restart. This will lead you to the blue screen menu. Now click on the Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced option. Now get into the UEFI firm settings. Now just tap on Restart. This is the BIOS menu. Now I'll get into the Advanced tab. I'll select CPU configuration. In the CPU configuration, at the bottom you could see Intel Virtualization Technology. So mine is enabled. So if you see over here disabled, just click on the, if it been disabled, you can select enable. Okay, so I'll just press enter. To get back the previous menu, press escape key. So I didn't make any changes, so I'll just press S. As you can see, my laptop is restarting. This is how you enable hardware virtualization on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out the latest skill for career contents. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. You're signing off, Michael.